Ever wondered what makes those iconic neon signs glow so brightly? It's not magic, folks. It's neon. But have you ever stopped to think, how much does this glowing gas actually cost? You might be surprised. Neon, while not exactly cheap, isn't as astronomically priced as you might imagine. But before we dive into the numbers, let's understand a bit more about this fascinating element. Neon is a noble gas, meaning it's incredibly stable and doesn't readily react with other elements. This makes it ideal for use in lighting, as it glows brightly when an electric current is passed through it. Now, let's talk cost. Pure neon gas itself isn't incredibly expensive on a per unit basis. You're looking at roughly $30 to $50 per liter. However, the real cost of neon lighting lies in the manufacturing process. Creating a neon sign involves glass blowing. Shaping the intricate glass tubing is a skilled craft, requiring hours of labor. Gas filling. The tubes must be carefully evaluated and filled with the precise amount of neon gas. Electrode installation. Electrodes are inserted into the ends of the tubes to conduct electricity. Bending and shaping. The glass is meticulously bent and shaped to create the desired design. Installation. Finally, the completed sign needs to be installed, which can involve specialized equipment and expertise. These factors significantly impact the overall cost of a neon sign. A simple, small sign might cost a few $100s, while intricate, large-scale installations can easily reach into the thousands, even tens of thousands, of dollars. The cost can also vary depending on factors like complexity of the design. More intricate designs require more labor and materials. Size and scale of the sign. Larger signs naturally require more materials and labor. Customization. Unique colors, special effects, and custom designs will increase the cost. Location and installation. Costs can vary depending on the location and the complexity of the installation. So, while the cost of pure neon gas itself might be relatively modest, the true cost of neon lighting is a reflection of the artistry, craftsmanship, and expertise involved in creating these luminous works of art. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.